Hey guys, Pohan and Airraid here, and as you can tell, his name's Hunter, and he is dead, and he has glitched into the wall. He's alive! I'm a Super Saiyan!
You're a Super
Yeah!
Saiyan. You're a Super Saiyan lesbian?
No, I'm Super Saiyan 2.
He's a Super Saiyan!
He's a Super Saiyan lesbian. Okay? Great eye shot. Hello.
That's so creepy.
Ow!
You want to summon? Oh man.
You don't have enough.
I don't have it. I have.
girls, yeah.
Let's see how much I have. God, stop shaking it. Stop shaking the ball. Let's go. Equipment. Let's see here.
What the frick? In your item list.
Okay, then.
Left
Shut
bumper.
up.
Left bumper.
Okay.
You need a 1-star, you need a 3-star, and you need a 7-star.
So I need 3 more left.
Yeah, let's.
Just like the Chaos Emeralds on Sonic.
Let me go get. What? I got my remote.
Alright, let me show you all what I can do first. I'm going to show you all. Okay, never
It's like, okay, never mind.
Alright.
I'm the one playing right now.
No, it's me playing right now.
Now it's me turn.
Let's see here. We're going to do.
Grand Festival.
I'm going to do one of these. I'm going to do this right now.
Oh, you have DLCs of this game?
No, I don't have the GT, DC, and the. I like to have my character that I play as, and then by teammates.
Why don't get offline?
Super Saiyan 4.
Go, G.
Yeah.
And then you gotta go.
And then
Super Saiyan. Super Saiyan.
okay, I'm gonna bring Killer DJ over here, and he's gonna smack the crap out of you.
No, I'm calling right now.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead.
No,
I don't care.
No.
This boy about to call his boy right now.
Call Killer DJ.
No, go ahead. I don't care.
I'm gonna call Killer
I'm
DJ.
gonna bring Piccolo into this battle.
Bring Piccolo. You punk.
You a punk. You punk too.
I'm gonna call Killer DJ. See what he got to say about this.
He ain't gonna shoot that. Oh God. Yeah. On speakerphone. All right.
Better not die here.
You have reached your friend's voicemail on text.
I need it.
He doesn't want to talk to you today.
Hey, well, Hunter said he gonna call you over here, and you gonna beat crap on me. And that true story. Well, I got to come over there. You. Huh.
Oh,
You didn't answer.
of course he didn't.
Hello. Hi. Hi. See, it's just a voicemail. Hi. Hi. Hello. Pick up the voicemail. You're a punk for not going. No, we're the Fireflies. No, we're the Fireflies.
No, I need to charge up. Oh no.
I'm next. I'm next after Hunter.
Yeah, but then after
And
me,
Air Raid.
I was just showing them what I can do.
Yes, you kind of have this We're gonna just
No, we gotta do some good stuff. We gotta.
after we do this, we are going to do a battle between me and him, okay?
Yeah.
We'll do a couple battles. We'll do a Pokemon battle. We're gonna do a random battle. We're gonna choose our best character battle.
And that's 4 battles, so that's it.
And then we're gonna go online. We're gonna do some online battles. Taking turns. And then we can just, if the video's not too long, we do some more upfront battles. And then we'll play something else. And then but yeah, bro, I'm gonna kill YouTube vlog videos. I'm gonna upload like 12 of them in one day. It's gonna be so funny.
Meow.
Yo, Barda! La 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 la. You gotta
I
quit.
got equipped. I got equipped. Like equipped.
Oh, I'll come in at one time, and yeah, I'll go come in one time, and then you gonna die. Oh no, he's scary.
Oh yeah, he looks so scary.
He's scary looking. Oh, he's so scary looking. How many? Little scary. Whoa! Willie! Just go beat the crap out of him. Go like X Cesaro! Go like X Cesaro! Yeah, Hunter's fighting! Just
Dang
go
it, man! I
Hunter!
didn't get to beat him up.
Ah!
Oh,
You got a
yeah.
material item. And you leveled up!
On your training.
Battle Suit Barlock. Ooh, rare Hercule badge. You can sell that and get a lot of money. Screw Hercule.
Money.
Hercule sucks.
Hercule does suck.
Hercule sucks.
Hercule sucks. No. Let's see here. I got customize, boost my attribute.
You should get some basic attack.
Yeah, and you never told me to do any of these. Max Kai, max stamina.
That's the Kai. Yeah, key.
Max key.
You use a lot of key. Use your fuse with Prodigy.
Let's see here. Oh no! I got hit with an attack. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, I'm dead.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Dead.
My turn.
Oh, now I'm up. Okay.
My turn.
We're gonna do it. We're gonna do battle.
We're gonna go.
We're gonna do battle. You get your control. All right, you got your control. All right, yeah.
Control. Ah!
What the heck? What?
Running, my man.
Black dude.
I black dude. Wait,
Black
no, go,
dude.
turn left. I want to see what that. No, I want to see what the person with the scouter says.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hakusa. With my special scatter, I'll check out your strength. Let's see. He's immeasurable! Wow, please let me call you boss. Alright, you can be. I'm going. Yeah.
She wants me to be her master.
For Christ.
Hey, you are a higher level than me, but. Alright, first round is Pokemon.
I'm gonna be Vegeta, actually.
We'll be Vegeta.
No custom characters.
Hi. Should I, guys? Should I be that bad of a person? So.
No, it'd be like. It should be interesting, like Goku versus Vegeta.
Show me your power.
Okay, never mind.
Go on, show me your power.
Go on. Shoot.
That's just perfectly unfair.
That is so unfair.
You have Vegeta going Super Saiyan 2 or Super Saiyan. Alright, you get to start. That was my dodge.
Oh my God.
That doesn't count. My turn. No, you don't get to do it to each other.
No, we're gonna do a regular battle.
Oh, then let's restart then.
No, dude.
I didn't know we were
I
thought we were doing Pokemon first.
No.
Okay, well, let's actually go.
Okay, then. Let's actually battle then. What? How did you already get that much stuff?
You attacking me.
You have like 5 power-up levels.
Sup, guy? Oh!
Jeez, this boy jumping around up in the air.
Oh!
Ugh.
Oh! 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 Punish and stop for the final flash. Oh no! Oh no! No!
No!
Oh! Oh!
Dude! My bar's going down.
Hit me with that final flash.
Behold the aura. Behold the aura.
Derp, 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 derp. Derp, 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 derp. Derp, 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 derp,
Dude,
derp.
this is so dumb. I hardly even play this game anymore. I can't even move or anything. Wow. Yeah, because you chose a better character than Vegeta.
You want to do an actual fair?
Yeah,
fair
an
fight?
actual fair one, actually.
That one doesn't count, guys.
Like Vegeta versus Goku or something like that. Which I'm choosing Goku.
I can choose Goku as well if I want to.
Well, why would you be someone like I don't know, like Bardock? Father versus
Bardock?
son. Yeah.
How about I go good old fashioned
Broly.
bro Eris? He fights Beerus Super Saiyan 3. It's an actual battle. So I'd kind of do stuff with Beerus. But that's why I'm using Sphere of Destruction.
And I'm gonna use
No, 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 no.
Frieza.
Death Beam! Death Beam! No, there's a YouTuber I watch. He's pretty cool. Called Lord Frieza. He literally talks like Frieza. It's freaking awesome. And I'm gonna destroy Goku here.
Frieza, I'm as strong as you ever thought I was.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Death Beam! Hit him with Death Beam. Maximum trap. Hit him with Death Beam. Oh, you hit me with the... Ah!
Yeah. Oh, what? That's bull.
Death Ball! That's just not fair.
Yeah, it is.
Ah! Death Ball!
I told you.
Ah!
Oh, no. Yeah.
That was not a fair fight, though. Alright, now time for the actual fair fight. Because Super Saiyan 3 Goku versus Full Power Frieza is not a fair fight.
Yeah. How come? Yeah.
Because Frieza Full Power gets destroyed when he's freaking...
Let me think here.
There's a Super Saiyan 1.
Saiyan Spirit. Still, Saiyan Spirit ain't that strong, is it?
Depends on if you hit it, hit the other person's actually powerful. Goes anybody.
I'm thinking of somebody.
Random.
All right,
Go
we'll
back
do random.
No, you gotta go
Well-
to Hunter, then you gotta hit random. Alright, you just use dice. Super Saiyan, Super Kamehameha. Why are you laughing?
Okay,
You got dice.
Yeah, but Yeah.
Well, we're gonna do a couple random battles. How about that? How about charge up? Just charge up, buddy. I'll let you charge.
Really? You let me charge?
Yeah.
Don't have to charge up.
Yeah, that's why I'm charging.
Oh,
How many? Ah! Oh, darn it. I missed.
baby be Jace. Jace up in his business. I'm such a girl. What kind of freaking attack does Jace even have? Pressure volcano.
Oh! Oh, you are. Oh,
Dude, it doesn't even hurt you.
bro! I'm a little kid, man! Bro! I'm a little kid.
Oh, hell.
Hello.
You can hardly see us. Boy. Oh, I pressed the wrong one.
Well, that's actually pretty helpful. Thank you for helping me achieve.
Darn. Oh, thank you.
I just destroyed your stamina, man. I just destroyed you. Now, why'd you laugh when I got Goten?
Because I thought Jace was stronger.
Dude, Goten. I got the strong Goten.
Oh, yeah.
I think the other one was the weak Goten. I don't know.
Alright, so we're gonna do another random.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Okay.
Yeah!
Oh, bro. Oh, no.
Piccolo!
Oh, no, that one's actually pretty powerful as well. I got third Piccolo. No! This is backyard Raditz. How am I supposed to kill Kid Boo? If I beat you,
I'm weak as
if
person.
I beat you, man. You
Oh.
charge. You have maximum charge. Charge up.
What the freak?
There's something. Run!
Of course you're gonna beat me because you're stronger than me. You know more about the game than me.
This is I know more about the game than you, W. Hey, you're Kid Boo. And Kid Boo was like beers compared to this stuff.
Dude!
You had very little stamina.
Dude, that's so dumb!
You're the wrath of an Namekian.
Oh my god.
This was me. Oh, why you always gotta dodge the special speed cannon, man?
Cause,
We got treat me like that. I don't like you.
I don't like
it,
you
Boo.
either. I don't like you either!
Stop. Ben, like that.
Dude! Okay, there we go.
You just up and gone, man.
Yeah! Because Kid Boo can have a teleporting ration.
Oh, why can't you turn around, Piccolo? Piccolo, he was right behind you, Piccolo. His man, he was right behind you. That'd be stupid not even turn around. Go on! Boom!
Dang. Oh, whatever shall I do?
Stupid teleportation.
Bro! Overhand!
Dude, my X button's getting stuck. Dude, my X button got stuck. Bro, my X button got stuck.
Oh yeah, because that control is a little bit broke. As you can tell from the side.
Oh no, I need a bad remote.
Well, it still works.
Alright. No, random.
Oh yeah, random.
Oh, you gotta go take press
Oh.
X and it's right. No, I got Guthrie.
You got Guthrie.
You feeling up to it?
This isn't even funny. This
Yeah.
isn't even funny, man. Go Tinks versus Guthrie. What? He doesn't even have a. He doesn't even have an ultimate attack.
Yeah, all he has is every pin and stuff.
Bro, this guy sucks.
Of course he sucks. Look at your health bar.
Dude, that's just cheating.
What? Cheating.
That attack sucks. I can't believe you wasted your time with that attack. Oh! That's not even fair.
Superman punch.
Alright. You don't have to press triangle once, you can sit there and keep pressing it. Until you're ready to choose them. That's how we're gonna do this.
We get 3.
Alright. Oh, you could add Omega Shinron.
I have Android as well.
You know you don't have to do 3. You can stop anytime until you get 3.
No, we have to do 3.
Modern.
I'm an android, not a human.
Oh my gosh.
Sup,
This is gonna be so confusing.
Dude.
Two Android 18s.
And it's a Dragon Ball Z game. Just
Yeah.
imagine when we get Xenoverse 2. Wait, hold both of your triggers. Oh, dude, you have the stronger version.
I have the stronger version. Yes, I do.
No worries. Bro, I can't even tell us apart.
I thought I was the one moving around. What the heck? I can't even tell. Oh my god.
Get the shoot. Ah, you got distracted. This guy got freaking walk up attack. Ah!
Yeah.
Good.
Drained it up.
Nope. Give me your life force.
I thought Android 18 and Android 17 can't do that. Man, I can't even tell which is which. This is so confusing.
You're not safe to fly in that zone. That's how it's gonna be. And that's the bottom line. Oh, Tetsu.
Dude, I pressed on one of them.
Bro, wait, who won?
did.
Oh yeah. Hey.
Dang, man. That's some bullcrap.
it got nothing to the very end. It was so confusing. Because Will kept just teleport over and over again.
And the thing on here is backwards. Like, it's weird.
Yeah, it always does that. It's a computer camera. It's gonna be bad like that.
Oh yeah, we're doing randoms. All right, remember 3 randoms. This is for the Pokemon battle. All right.
Pokemon battle.
All right.
Runs Pokemon up in here. Gohan team.
2,
He's full power.
3.
Ah, Soldier! Oh! Oh no!
Here I go.
Moving counts as an attack.
Moving counts.
Yep, moving counts now.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, moving now counts. Let me go first
So
since
I
I'm
can
the
just go.
weaker.
I can just go like that.
No, it doesn't count. No, you're literally moving. It counts. Oh, you get no. You don't
I did.
Stop.
You gonna do it?
Ready?
Your attack.
I just moved.
Dude, I don't think this is gonna work. I'm like, we're at 1 minute and 57 seconds.
Come close to it, and I can end it. No, you moved. You moved. Moving counts. Now I gotta turn it to the one. Dude, you gonna just fight me now, right?
Yeah, I'm done playing the ball. Look, we're at 1 minute and 24 seconds. This Cell Junior's going crazy.
Okay, well, this time we get to choose our fighter.
Okay, our strongest ones. Our strongest one. This will be the final battle.
And you can choose critical.
But you can't.
Yeah, man.
Then it'll be confusing.
Okay. You said your strongest character. And he's my strongest.
Well, this is my game. I can't even. I can't even do. No. I can't. It's too confusing. So an actual character, not from
Okay,
freaking
no custom characters.
a custom character.
I'll send you to Otherworld.
My strong character.
This would be a good time to test the
Yeah.
power of my perfect form.
Let me make sure I get the right character first before you do anything.
Yeah, you did.
No, I'm not sure.
It's self full power.
I know, but there's 2 seconds. Alright, I got the correct one.
Oh my god.
Eat it. Take
Dude, you had Kamehameha. Well, really?
Yeah.
You're gonna be one of those people.
Well, I am one of them people.
Okay?
Take your planet with you.
Oh!
I know exactly what to start with. Do your super Kamehameha.
Dude! I'm done with freaking games like this.
Take your planet with you.
Super Big Bang Kamehameha. Alright, I'll let you do. Go to do your super Kamehameha. I'll do my friend.
Yeah, of course you'd win. Screw this freaking game.
You should sound really, really good at self-full power. You beat me in Black Ops 3. I won in Xenoverse.
Well, I'm not good at freaking Dragon Ball, Japan, Japanese crap. I ain't good.
That one's an American game.
So, this is from Japan.
It's an anime game, so, but this copy was made in Japan. Well, I'm ending this video here, guys. Anything to add?
No.
Well, see you guys in the next video.